It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. So, what did AI just build for the government, and would Leonardo da Vinci be proud? Well, this time it built an actual 11-foot flying machine. So, metal, fins, like the whole works. The Nuclear Security Administration showed off something called Ares Tide, which is a 3D printed flight test vehicle, and I find it really interesting who actually drew it. So, AI tools designed the entire inside of the thing, the shape, the structure, where the sensors and the power lines go, how it handles heat and stress as it comes down. Most of us still ask AI to fix a spreadsheet formula or tell us who's winning a World Cup match. But we now have AI designing vehicles. But then the Nuclear Security Administration did the most American thing possible. They made it and stood it up at a state fair on the National Mall, right next to, I don't know, fried Twinkies and all the other inventions that were on parade. I want to pay to watch someone explain this AI designed exhibit to like a kid holding a corny dog, but real engineers dropped a scale model from 32,000 feet over the Utah desert, and to be clear, it actually worked. So the machine isn't a rendering, it actually flew. So how long did designing a brand new aircraft from scratch actually take? Was it measured in decades? Was it measured in years? Well, AI designed a real flying machine in 5 months. The labs say a job like this normally runs about 2 years, and I think they're underselling it. I think it's normally triple that. But the AI did it in 5 months, all the way from start to flight test. And they're claiming it came out 7 times faster and 15 times cheaper. And that's the number everybody probably should take to work tomorrow. Maybe don't mention the patriotic packaging at the state fair, but if you strip away the test vehicle and the Ferris wheel aspect, you've got AI compressing a hardware design cycle by a factor of 4. This would make most manufacturing companies and their procurement teams faint. That same compression is coming for whatever your company makes. It's coming for your car parts, your medical devices, your chips, your packaging, your buildings. AI got really good at words first, so words got cheap first, but now it's learning to design physical objects. A 2 year project, 2+ years, becomes a 5 month project that reorganizes an entire industry. So if a brand new flying machine can go from blank page to dropping out of the sky successfully in 5 months, what is the next thing you'll see at a state fair that used to take years? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.